Runaway train. The orphans! Ride like the wind, Evil Dr. Porkchop.
That's Mr.
Faster, Bullseye! We gotta save the train and those orphans! Rex, are you there? What's the holdup, buddy? Oh, no! Well, hurry! I'm gonna need some help. Bingo! A battery! Got it! We've got power. Hang on a second. I was just thinking these aliens need a lot of help. And, well, we are here until it's all up and running. Stop with that! Oh, come on! That volcano just doesn't know when to quit, does it? Whatever you're talking about, I don't care. Put Buzz back the way he was, then get lost. Yeah, I am a toy. And a friend. My guess is no one's ever loved you before. Because you know nothing about hearts and love. Oh, yeah. Oh, what happened all that time? Whoa, that's incredible. Cool. Boy, am I glad to see you. Ah. Yeah. Well, goodbye for now.